everyone. Welcome back to MR English Diaries.
Hello, amazing people. We missed you so much.
We are so happy you're here with us today.
Yes, because today I finally learned how to order food without making a disaster.
We will try, James. We will try. Please like this video, subscribe to MR English Diaries, and share with friends.
Share with hungry friends. Share with foodie friends. Share with friends who steal your fries.
All right. Today we learn how to order food in a restaurant.
This is important for me. Very important. Last week I went to a restaurant and I wanted to order chicken soup.
Yes?
But instead of chicken soup, I said chicken soap.
No! Not again.
The waiter looked at me like I was crazy.
You told this story to everyone, James.
Because it hurts, Olivia. It hurts my English soul.
Don't worry. Today, we fix this. No more soap, only soup.
Thank you. My stomach thanks you too.
Okay, let's start. Imagine you enter a restaurant. What do you say first?
Hello, where's the food? Give me food.
No! You say this. Table for two, please.
Table for two, please.
Wonderful!
And if I come with 10 people?
Then say, table for 10, please.
Can I say table for 20 cats?
Absolutely not. Okay, after you sit down, you need the menu. Can I see the menu?
Can I see the menu?
Good job.
I always want to see food pictures.
Yes, but don't lick the pictures.
It was one time. One time.
Okay, now let's order something. I would like...
I would like pizza.
Yes.
I would like fries.
Yes.
I would like free food.
No, James. Another easy phrase is, I'll have.
I'll have a burger.
Great.
I'll have soup.
Yes.
I'll have soup.
James. Sorry. My brain is hungry. Okay, you can also ask the waiter this. What do you recommend?
What do you recommend?
Perfect.
What if he recommends soap?
James, please. Okay, let's role play. I am the waiter.
And I am the hungry customer.
Hello, welcome to Sunny Restaurant.
Hello. Table for two, please.
Of course, here is the menu.
Can I see the menu?
James, you already have it in your hand.
Oh,
Okay, now let's ask about drinks. What drinks do you have?
what drinks do you have?
Great!
And if they only have water?
Then you drink water.
Water is life.
Many restaurants have daily specials. Do you have any specials?
Do you have any specials?
Very good.
I love specials. Last time, the special was spicy food.
How spicy?
My tongue cried. My eyes cried. My soul cried. Everything cried.
Oh, James. So this question is useful. Is it spicy?
Is it spicy?
Nice job.
Sometimes I want spicy food. Sometimes I don't.
Yes, you want spicy when you feel brave.
And when I feel weak, I want mild food, like baby food.
Honestly, yes. If you don't want something in your food, say, can you make it without?
Can you make it without onions?
Perfect.
Can you make it without stress?
James, this is a restaurant, not therapy. Now, imagine the food arrives. This looks great.
This looks great.
Yes, very natural. And when you eat it, you can say, it tastes amazing.
It tastes amazing.
Wonderful.
One time I said, it tastes amazing to air.
Air?
Yes, I was so hungry I pretended to eat.
James, that is concerning. Now a phrase for when something is wrong. Excuse me, there is a problem.
Excuse me, there is a problem.
Exactly.
Can I say, excuse me, there is a problem. I am starving.
That is not their problem. And maybe you need utensils. Can I get a fork?
Can I get a fork?
Great.
Can I get a spoon?
Yes.
Can I get a knife?
Yes.
Can I get the whole kitchen?
Absolutely not. Now let's do a longer role play.
I love role play. I feel like a movie star.
A hungry movie star.
The hungriest.
Hello. Ready to order?
Not yet. What drinks do you have?
We have water, soda, juice, and tea.
Do you have any specials?
Yes, today we have grilled fish.
Does it have meat?
James, fish is meat.
Oh, right.
Are you ready now?
Yes, I would like spaghetti.
Great.
Can you make it without onions?
Sure.
And without heartbreak?
James?
Sorry, I need emotional support spaghetti.
That is not a thing.
For me, it is.
Now your meal ends and you want to pay. Can I get the bill?
Can I get the bill?
Yes. Bill means the paper you pay,
Good.
not can I get the ball.
Yes, I know. Bill. Bill.
And finally, thank you. The food was great.
Thank you. The food was great.
Perfect. Always be polite.
Even if the food is not great?
Be nice anyway.
Okay, I will try.
Now let's review everything. Repeat after us. Table for two, please.
Can I see the menu?
I would like...
I'll have the pasta.
What do you recommend?
What drinks do you have?
Do you have any specials?
Does this have meat?
Is it spicy?
Could I have...
Can you make it without...
This looks great.
It tastes amazing.
Excuse me, there is a problem.
Can I get a fork?
Can I get the bill?
Thank you. The food was great.
Wow, so easy, so fun, so tasty.
English is not food, James.
But it feeds my soul and my stomach a little.
How?
I don't know, but it feels right.
Now let's finish with repeat after me. Repeat after me. I would like a table, please.
Can I see the menu?
I'll have the pasta.
This tastes amazing.
Can I get the bill?
Great job, everyone.
Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food to order in a restaurant?
Pizza? Pasta? Biryani? Soap?
Soup, not soap.
Yes, I know.
Don't forget to check the free PDS in the description.
It's super helpful and super tasty for the brain.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We love teaching you.
Please like this video, subscribe to MR English Diaries, and share with friends.
Have a great day.
Eat something delicious today.
See you next week in MR English Diaries.
Bye.
Bye.